Okay, so the mask is ready and I'm just going to apply it in my hair very carefully because it's kind of messy, and I want to make sure I get it everywhere. I want to make sure I put it in my scalp because that's actually my favorite part, is the cold yogurt on my scalp. It actually feels amazing. It actually even gets rid of my headaches. So I'm just going to use my hands, and I'm just going to get some in my hands. I'm going to show it to you guys. I'm just rubbing it. I'm kind of rubbing it in like a lotion, and then I'm just going to start at my roots. Start working this in a little bit more, and I'm gonna actually just go to I'm gonna go ahead and go to my bathroom and put the rest of it in, but just to give you guys an idea of how to do it, just work it into your roots all the way, and then work it out towards the end of your roots, towards the end like of your ends of your hair, and then put your hair like in a bun. And since I'm gonna actually go do a quick workout, so I'm going to put in my pocket this little cute shower cap on. I actually bought the shower cap for Zaya. It's too big on her, but she still thinks it's hers. So as soon as she sees me in it, she's gonna make me probably take it off. Keep it on for at least an hour, or if you can keep it on longer, do that. And then once an hour has passed, just wash your hair like you normally would. I like to rinse it all out really good. Then I'll do a shampoo, and then I'll do a conditioner, and just air dry your hair or dry it like you normally would, and you're gonna see a huge difference.